Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got something very exciting to share with you and it is gorgeous. Next, I've brought out these really cute little stocking filler boxes and they cost £12. Look at this, can you see the glitter there? So perfect little Secret Santa gift, or stocking fillers as what they are called. Yeah, I had to get one and share with you. I'll pop a link down in the description for all of the stocking fillers. So as well as these boxes, there might be a couple of other little beauty gifts as well. It's got a little card so you can put a name on there. Isn't that beautiful? I just think it's so cute. I got the Get the Glow stocking filler. So I'm not going to swatch any of these because I am going to pass it on to someone for Christmas. But first up, we've got the By Terry Balm de Rose. And this is a lip balm gloss. This is beautiful. The smell is super rosy, which I don't like personally, but the actual product itself is really nice. I do really like By Terry. Love the hyaluronic range of the powders then. That's a nice little mini size, which I think, yeah, mini to go. So you can actually buy it at this size, which is 2.3 grams. So there's that. Then you've got a 7 gram Glam Glow Super Mud. Did its rounds all over social media a couple of years ago, and yeah, I'm sure I've done a review of it at some point. It's a nice mask. There's that. Next we've got an Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is 7 ml. This is Synchronized Multi Recovery Complex for all skin types. Show you the cute little bottle that it comes in. Oh, I can't open this to show you. Oh, there's a picture on the side, but this is by Eve Lom, and this is the cleanser. 20 ml cleansing balm in there, plus a cleansing cloth, a muslin cloth. Can you see there? Maybe a reflection. Woo! There, you can see there. And lastly, we've got a perfume by Marc Jacobs, and this is Daisy. And this is Eau de Toilette, and it is 4 ml. Look at that. I love all of Marc Jacobs' perfume bottles. They are so pretty. Really pretty. Now, I'm a huge fan of Marc Jacobs, but not of this original Daisy. I don't like this. It's alright, but I wouldn't buy it personally. I love the Daisy Oh So Fresh though. I've got a huge bottle behind me. I love that, but no, not keen on this. But it's an iconic scent. Lots of people love it. So there you go. So those are all the items in the little £12 stocking filler box. This is what it looks like in the box. And then you've got the card. I am so impressed. And no wonder a lot of them already out of stock. But yeah, I'd love to know what you think. Have you bought a stocking filler box from Next for yourself or as a gift to pass on to someone? Or is this the first time you're hearing about them? I'd love to hear what you think. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.